Thermax Absorption Chiller. Absorption technology has been a preferred solution across industries for cooling and heating, owing to its environment-friendly green refrigerant water, delivering efficient and high-performance characteristics. In this regard, Thermax's absorption chillers stand tall, with 6,300 plus installation across the globe over the last 30 years. Rooted in India for the globe, Thermax absorption chillers are energy-efficient alternatives to conventional electrical chillers used in industrial as well as commercial segments. The latest offering from Thermax is the new high COP hot water-driven absorption chiller, with its unique two-stage evaporator and condenser design, capable of delivering up to -5 degrees Celsius, catering to various cooling requirements. The key elements of this chiller are its evaporator, absorber, generator, condenser, and solution heat exchanger. The advanced technologies used in different steps of operations help ensure optimal output. Chilled water from the process is circulated through the evaporator tubes of the absorption chiller. Cooling is achieved by the evaporation of refrigerant after extracting latent heat from the chilled water. The vacuum is maintained inside the chiller, ensuring refrigerant evaporation at a lower temperature. The refrigerant vapor gets absorbed by the concentrated lithium bromide solution sprayed in the absorber, thereby sustaining the vacuum inside the chiller. The two-stage absorption design, ensuring the specific heat input to be the lowest in the industry, helps to maximize the refrigerant absorption, thereby delivering a higher cooling output. Heat of dilution is rejected to the cooling tower water, circulated inside the absorber tubes. Highly efficient canned motor pumps are used for the circulation of the refrigerant and lithium bromide, which can operate maintenance-free for over 60,000 hours. Gravity feed technology-based spray systems used in chillers ensure consistent spray throughout the chiller's life cycle. The gravity feed technology unique to Thermax eliminates the need for a separate spray pump, resulting in lower power consumption. The multi-level spray in the generator, along with the two-stage condensation, makes the recovery of heat at low temperature viable. It also improves heat transfer in the generator, ensuring uniform spray and wettability of generator tubes. Spray-type generator design helps minimize lithium bromide quantity, ensuring quick response to load variation. The absorbent gets concentrated by boiling out the refrigerant using the heat recovered from the low-temperature hot water. Refrigerant vapor separated in the generator gets condensed by exchanging the latent heat with the cooling tower water circulated through the condenser tubes. Our specially designed solution heat exchanger with stainless steel plates, a unique feature only from Thermax for optimum internal heat recovery, increases the unit's COP and extends the life of the exchanger. A high-efficiency, fully automatic purge system with subcooler helps to remove non-condensable gases continuously from varied pressure levels. These exclusive features of Thermax chillers eliminate manual purging. A precise vacuum transmitter helps in monitoring vacuum. Thermax chillers are equipped with an advanced skid-mounted PLC system with a touchscreen interface to control and safeguard the entire operation. Crystallization is prevented through real-time concentration monitoring and control, which is operated along with multi-stage level control. By limiting the heat input based on cooling water temperature, Thermax chillers can operate even at a low temperature. With a state-of-the-art plant at Sri City, Andhra Pradesh in the southern part of India, Thermax is enhancing its annual capacity to cater to the growing global requirements. Displaying its manufacturing excellence, the fully automated facility allows the leverage of reduced lead time, ensuring more scope for customization, and secures enhanced productivity, optimization, and efficiency improvement. Thermax offers future-inspired absorption, cooling and heating solutions to industries and commercial complexes across the globe. Join us to create a sustainable tomorrow by recovering energy through Thermax advanced absorption solutions. To know more, visit our website www.thermaxglobal.com. Follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.